Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Azhar Ali and I am telling you about how can you get 100 GB for your mobile storage. How can you get 100 GB? Don't be afraid, I have a gift for you. I have a surprise for you. So I have an app for you who will give you 100 GB mobile who will save your mobile data 100 GB. So come here to Google Play Store and type here save memory. Type here save memory and see here. This is 100 GB internet. First of all, install this app. See here, there are many people they are using this. See here, its rating is 4.5. Its bad rating. See this comment are showing that is a real app and it will give us a real memory. So let's open it. Okay, I am open. Digo, it's me Digo. Stop your open. Now you can see this in my video. See here, it's on my 40 and touch up to my files. My uploads. If you want to upload file, so click here. I clicked that button. This is setting. I got settings. Oh, see here. This is 100 GB. See there. See near my ID, Google account name. There are showing 100 GB using 0 MB. And my files open. There is no file, I think. Yes, there is no file. And my uploads, I am uploading a video. If we want to upload a video, so click here to my storage pictures and everything. If you want to invite your friends, so click here and inviting you to all my friends on Facebook. This is loading. I invite you. The link share. I am sharing. This is option. Like, if you want to share it with Facebook, so click here. I won't share it, so please come back. And if you want to upgrade this, so click here. This is 200 GB cloud storage. If you want to upgrade this, so click here. This is option for uploads and more settings. This is an option for setting option. So click here. You click to here. That will be show. My net connection is too slow, so it is very low. My beautiful. So this is much better for you. It will save your memory if you want to save your memory. So there is an upload option. Click here. This is upload option. This is this looking paused option. Under the pause option, this is looking. This is all setting about this. This is 100 GB and what TBS is on. Great. So it will show you more things about other matter. Storage maximum. And then there is more. Friends, if my video is looking interesting and looking good and looking useful, so subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get more notification about my channel, and to like and to share my videos, and share my videos to your friends, your families, and your other relations to, and just subscribe to my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.